Yo, this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. Today we have all the evolved Pokemon, or all the Pokemon, all the sync pairs and their Pokemon that we can evolve. Let's move on, guys. We finished Lieutenant Surge's Voltorb into Electrode. This is Blaine's Ponyta into Rapidash. So I'm just going to play the sync pair story. Just choose the first option and then move on to the evolution story. So enjoy watching, guys. Is something wrong with Ponyta?
Yes?
Show me what you have so far.
Right! Are you ready?
I want to say false, but true.
I swear.
I don't think those are related. What's wrong?
Blast it.
Oh boy. Stop!
Are you ready?
Complete, guys. Sorry for the background noise. And with that said, this is Ponyta's evolution. Let's begin. So we're fighting against Marley. We have 136 out of 5 evolution shards. We can most likely evolve everyone. And at level 95, our opponent is somewhere low. It's fine. It's fine. We hope to use a sync move so that we can compare, you know, the damage or the animation and everything. But I'm not sure we're able to do that because our Pokemon might be overpowered. And my internet signal is bad. My signal is weak, guys. There you go.
Excuse me. Please.
I see.
Let's get started.
So fast. So direct to the point. Okay, guys.
Here goes.
Here's the buzzer. Raging Inferno. Oh my gosh, super strong. I don't want to kill her immediately. Oh shucks. Oh no. I don't want to kill her. Okay, guys. I think she's gonna lose. So let's just quit this. I'll try using Fire Spin instead. I hope. Yes, my mom is so noisy. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. I hope Fire Spin does minimal damage.
Excuse me.
Let me just skip this conversation.
I'll do my best.
But Fire Spin does consistent damage, and I'm worried about that.
Light it up!
Good. Not so strong.
Let me try.
Now!
Okay. Time to use the other
You can
moves.
do it.
Now!
Just don't die, Arcanine. Don't die on me.
You can do it.
Avoid using attacks. That's all you need to do to avoid dying. Don't kill yourself. Don't kill yourself.
Thank you. Here goes.
Don't kill yourself.
We end this here!
Don't kill yourself. Good. Sync move. And that was Ponyta's sync move. Before evolving into Rapidash.
Thank you.
Right!
Huh?
Heh.
Nice. I like how he triggers his evolution. And right then and there, guys, my video got cut off at the worst possible event. Anyway, we can't do anything now. I'm sorry, I ran out of storage. I mean, it could get even worse. No animation was recorded at all. But at least we get to see Ponyta shine into Rapidash. We're doing this. I mean, let's just watch his new sync move as we repeat. Who the heck is that? It's Blaine. Where the heck is Blaine, guys? Where the heck is Blaine? Blaine. Blaine, I saw Blaine. Okay. And with that said, this is going to be Rapidash using his sync move. Sad that we could not repeat the animation anymore.
Excuse me.
Let's just skip this.
I'll do my best.
And earlier it was so perfect that I missed the first fire spin. And that the opponent has proper amount of HP that he did not die. So I just hope that he doesn't die. when we try to use our sing move.
We end this here.
You can do it.
Let's hope he doesn't kill himself.
We end this here. Now.
You can do it.
Don't kill yourself, okay? Don't kill yourself.
Thank you. Here goes.
And that is it, guys. I'm sorry again that the video got cut off. I mean, I was frustrated about that happening, but
Good to go.
I hope you guys enjoyed this. And if you did, please give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. There are so many other evolution stories
Right.
still have to do. My internet is very slow. It takes a while to upload everything. But we'll do this. We'll do this slowly and finish them one by one. And with that said, that's it for this video. Rawr. No animation. Sorry.